YouTube spat back with a double upload. I did not intend to make another video, but like I said, I begin these downloads when I meditate, and as you can tell from the name of the title of the video, I was wrong about meditation. So what do I mean by that? I remember maybe it was a couple of videos ago, I was telling somebody about meditation and how it didn't matter if you were like erected like this and cross-legged or laying down. It matters. Okay, I'm sorry. It matters. Not saying that you have to do it, but it matters. So, what happened? I was meditating, and I was just really I was doing this other technique just called letting go. Just things that come up, you just let them go. Just let them go, because you don't need to be attached to this stuff. And nothing in the permanent, nothing in the flesh is permanent. Nothing in the permanent is flesh. You know what? Actually, that's my new spin-off. You know? Nothing in the permanent is flesh. Also, nothing in the flesh is permanent. Hey, we're going to keep that. You know, sometimes mistakes turn into something, I ain't got to go in there. So, yeah. I was just laying down meditating. And then something in my spirit said, just sit up and straighten out your back. So I straightened out my back. Started meditating. And then my awareness just said, boo, 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 boo. That's the only way I can explain it, bro. It was just like, boo, 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 boo. I was like, okay, hold up. Let me go sit on the floor, because I was on the bed. I couldn't have my back completely erected, because on the bed, it's a mattress and you kind of sink in. So I sat on the floor. I was like, all right, let me cross-leg it, because, I usually don't do these things because it's kind of cringy, you know what I'm saying? I said, let me just let go of the cringiness and just be cringy for a while, All right, that's no disrespect to anybody out there, but I'm just saying. So I cross-legged and I straightened out my back, and my awareness did it again. Woo, woo, woo. Now I was in full watcher mode, bro. Like, I talk about the watcher a couple times in other videos on how you're not the hunk of flesh, but yo, I actually experienced, like, it was almost like I separated from my body, yo. It was just like, not separated like I can see myself, because I was blindfolded and stuff, and I had my little music on that I like to listen to that gets me in a meditative state a lot faster. But the awareness was separated from the experience of the body, so to speak. And then I started honing it. I was like, okay, because when that starts to happen, the ego starts to tries to grasp what what you're doing is, once ideas and start coming up. But as they was coming up, I was just completely separate from it. I wasn't the ego. And then sensations would arise, and then I was just the watcher, just behind the whole entire experience. But then ego started coming back. It's like, no, you need to go tell people this. So that's my biggest flaw, bro. Whenever I get insights, I just want to go run and tell people, and then I end up missing the salient point of what it is that I'm actually trying to get. So that was happening. And then also I have this issue with my upper back, because from 2015 to like 2017 I was working security, and they would make us wear these like 25-35 pound vests, and I would have to wear them for like 12 hours. And what it was doing over time was compressing my spine little by little, until now, whenever I hold my back up in a erect form, like, it starts to hurt, and it's not supposed to be like that. No way should you have a perfect posture, and you should be experiencing pain. So I need to figure out some exercises or something I can do to help decompress my back, because when I do this, it shouldn't. That's good posture, man. But anyway, like I was saying, the cross-legged, I need to look and do my research, figure out why that is. I don't know if maybe it's because when your spine is erect like that, it may have something to do with your chakras. I don't really know much about chakras, because it sounded kind of woo-woo to me back before I was all into this stuff. But yeah, definitely, erecting your spine in a cross-legged position, it works. So I just came in to correct myself, because whenever I find out something that was wrong, I'm going to come out and just be honest. I'm not going to stick and just be rigid and be like, I'm going to stick with the wrong. No. I'm ever growing. Those days are over. So hopefully this video wasn't too long. We had 5 minutes, 30 seconds. We'll end it here. Again, I was wrong about meditation. If you physically can, erect your back, man. Erect your back. But I'll catch you guys next time. Hopefully I won't stop again in the middle of my meditation session and be like, oh, I need to tell him something else. I'm actually going to I'm going to sit through it. All right. I ain't going to let the ego get a hold of me. But all right, I'm out, guys. Peace.